This is the moment where everything changes. 2024 might have knocked you down, but 2025, it's your year to rise. If you're tired of excuses, setbacks, and distractions holding you back, then stick around, because what I'm about to say will ignite the fire you need to make the ultimate comeback. Let's lock in and make greatness happen. Every comeback story starts with a decision to stop blaming the past, stop feeling sorry for yourself, and stop waiting for the perfect moment. Because here is the truth, there will never be a perfect moment. You create the moment by taking action. Think about it. Every champion, every leader, every success story, they all started right where you are. Maybe they failed, maybe they were underestimated, but they didn't stay down. They made a decision to get up, to fight back, and to rewrite their story. This is your chance. 2025 is the blank page in your book. The only question is, are you ready to write it? Because nothing worth having comes easy. It's going to take focus, sacrifice, and consistency. It's going to mean cutting out distractions, letting go of bad habits, and silencing every voice that says you can't. When I say lock in, I mean lock in. No more wasting hours scrolling through social media. No more letting fear of failure stop you from even trying. Lock in on your goals like your life depends on it, because in many ways it does. Your future is shaped by what you do today. Every choice you make, every habit you build, every time you say no to what's easy and yes to what's necessary, you're building a foundation for your success. Imagine this. It's the end of 2025. You're looking back, and instead of regrets, you see progress. Instead of excuses, you see results. That's what locking in looks like. And it's available to you, but only if you're willing to pay the price. Here's the key. Stop looking at what everyone else is doing. Their journey is not your journey. The only competition you have is with the person in the mirror. The only validation you need is your own. You've got to block out the noise and focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Start small. Build better habits. Take care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. Read books, learn skills, and surround yourself with people who lift you up, not pull you down. Remember, greatness doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of 1,000 small victories, each one stacking on top of the other. But here's the good news. You're capable of every single one of them. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to let 2025 pass by like every other year? Or are you going to make it the year you finally level up? The choice is yours. This is your comeback. This is your time to lock in. Get up, get focused, and make it happen. The world doesn't need you to be perfect. It needs you to be relentless. Let's go.